Sanibonani yay ave zishubile ave ziku-loud speaker kwaDlamuka. Lalela, I am telling you ukuthi uthando lona. At this point she looks like my grandmother. I am joking. I mean, considering the fact that Thando is in the villages of KZN, it gets difficult to keep up with your looks. Kodwa yay guyzini waze wadelela uSiyacela on this teaser that I saw. Yay uSiyacela, like lalela ubedelela wonke umuntu lapha kaDlamuka. And ngicabanga ukuthi nje omama bakaDlamuka bayakhala indlela ekade setha ngayo uSiyacela. Hayibo guyzini, at this point I really want to see ukuthi kahle kahle bekwenzakalani lapha kaDlamuka into eyadithethwa uSiyacela. But ke I can only guess and assume ukuthi uSiyacela at this point uya-insista ngendaba yakhe yokuthi ufuna wife number 2. Umbuzo nje uthi uSiyacela uzomenzani umfazi wesibili ebesahlulwa uThando. I mean uThando went on podcast publicly said ukuthi yena noSiyacela sebeyayiphilela nje impilo yabo kaBhuti noSisi, akukho okunye osekwenzakala phakathi kwakhe noSiyacela. But ke uSiyacela yay uyibhubesi inkosi yami, uyibhubesi la kwaDlamuka. Uyasatshwa lapha kaDlamuka, uvele ethethise wonke umuntu. Ubona omama bakaDlamuka sebekhala nkosi yami. Yay indlela kade ethetha ngayo uSiyacela, angazi noma kade ethethisa uThando noma kade ethethisa wonke umuntu lapha kaDlamuka. And uthi nje yena akaselethe abantu. So I'm guessing ukuthi uSiyacela lona uThando umenzele meeting. Nkosi yami bandla nkosami, uThando wabantu uzoyenze njani at this point? uThando umenzele meeting lana uSiyacela wambizela omama ke. So I'm thinking ukuthi omama bazomyala lana uSiyacela ukuthi no Siyacela ungenzi kanjena. But ke bandla omama bakaDlamuka bandla bayamsaba uSiyacela. Yazi ngiyahleka nje ngoba ngihleka noma sekufiwe, kodwa omama bakaDlamuka bayamsaba uSiyacela. I think uThando mehambe yobatshela inkinga zabo ukuthi hayibo nginonkinga lana noSiyacela 1 2 3. Basuke nje bengena choice just for the near fact ukuthi yibo abantu abadala lapha kaDlamuka, yibo omama balapha kaDlamuka. So basuke bengena choice ye shame nkosi yami, ngathi kusuke kubaphoqa kahle kahle ukuthi bezeke bezolungisa indaba kaThando noSiyacela. So kahle kahle bona basuke besaba, even if bezama ukulungisa omama bakaDlamuka angeke bese bemblame uSiyacela, ngeke bese bethi hayi Siyacela nawo wrong la, bazovele bethi hayi makoti referring to uThando ukuthi Thando thula wena wrong this and that. Hey guys, in my next life I'm coming back as a man. Ama privileges that man gets. Kuskeri mtakabawo, kuskeri mtakadede. Yey ngithi ke uSiyacela in the meeting uzovele evuke nolaka olungakanani ethi nje yena nje akaselethe abantu ukuthi bezosolve inkinga zakhe noThando. Yey ngithi whilst we're still listening ukuthi hayibo Siyacela kwenzakalani, uSiyacela uzovele esuke nje emuthuke ngenkulu engakanani inhlambu uThando. uThando wabantu uzovele eyithulela, usazothini inkosi yami uThando esethuka ngenhlambu engaka. Uzovele eyithuleleke uThando wabantu ephumele ngaphandle enzela ukuthi eshaye umoya kancane. Ngithi uSiyacela uzovele emlandelelile emtshela ukuthi lalela uma ufuna nje i-divorce ngamane sidivorce. I think uSiyacela khona lento ake ayisho lana on social media yokuthi uThando noma engakhalisa ebhoshe, lalela ngithi wonke umuntu wayithandani leyo nto. So I'm thinking ukuthi uyarepeata la ukuthi lalela weThando ayikho ngisho nento encane uzoyenza encane ongathi ungayenza other than the fact ukuthi wosongidivorce. And I think uSiyacela kunini libe lemtshela uThando ukuthi kukubo lapha yaso for the near fact ukuthi uThando uyena wasuka kubo wayakhaba uSiyacela. So therefore uSiyacela uThando ngeke ezekwazi ukushaya umthetho lapha kaDlamuka ngoba akukhona kubo kukhabo Siyacela. Futhi nje yonke into kade iyenziwa kaDlamuka isazoqhubeka yenziwe ngendlela yakhona, ayikho nje into esazoshintsha just because sekufike uThando. Nkosi yami uThando wabantu ayenze ekhulume ngisho nakakhulu, sovele nje ekhetha ukuyithulela cause usezothini-ke manje mangabe ibhubesi lakhe selivele lavuka ngomkhulu umlilo lo. ayikho vente esizoyenziwa uthando. Wesi-ke nomama bakahlamuka nkosi yami bayamsaba kusiyacela, ayikho nanomuntu ozomtshela ukuthi siyacela. And not to say omama bakahlamuka nje kuphela, because I don't believe ukuthi lapha kahlamuka kunomama nje kuphela. I believe ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona omunye umuntu okhona njena, you know, noma ubhuti-ke kasiyacela, ubhuti omdala-ke ozothi siyacela into enjena yenziwa, akekho. Okay, into engixakile-ke la kakhulu ngibona omama makahlamuka sebekhala inyembezi, so angazi-ke ukuthi usecela kahle kahle usethuka bani-ke manje, uthuka omama straight noma usathuka uthando. But yeyi ngithi wakhala umama wabantu wathi nje uthando wangena ey'ncathulweni zami, and indlela kade ngifisa ukuthi echaze you know ukuthi what exactly does she mean ukuthi uthando wangena ey'cathulweni zakhe, nobaba uhlamuka wayethetha njengosiyacela noma kwenzakalani, because guys there is no way ukuthi usacele ngavele beyibhubesi nje from nowhere. I honestly believe ukuthi maybe he was influenced by adults in his life, and by me saying so, it's probably his father who had such a huge influence in him having such a rotten behavior as a person. And you know, for the new effects ukuthi nomfazi wakhe lana useyasho ukuthi no uthando wangena ecathulweni zami. And you know, the most crazy thing here is that these women bonke nje abafazi bakahlamuka, you can tell ukuthi labo mama they were abused in all ways, you know, emotionally, physically, any way of abuse they experienced it. For the new effects they think it's okay, it's fine ukuthi usecela abuse omunye. You can tell ukuthi they themselves, they are a broken soul, so therefore they think it's fine. But the most craziest thing is that if something horrible happened to you, you wouldn't want it to happen on the next person. Like you just wouldn't, you know. And it puzzles me ukuthi labo mama, they see definitely nothing wrong with the fact ukuthi okay fine, they have suffered the way that they have suffered, but this does not mean ukuthi uthando naye mele safarishe, you know. It starts with them as women, you know. They are responsible for making a change, and they are the one who should make a change and stand together and say no Thando, we stand with you. Just because Tina, you know, things has happened to us, things that we cannot go back and change, they happened, but this does not mean ukuthi the things should happen to you too, you know. Haike omama bakahlamuka, I honestly don't know how they think. But guess Anna uthando at some point, because uthando have a very good family in a way. Her family, her uncles have fought for her, her mom have fought for her. Like so many people just stood up and say, let's go and fight for Uthando. And so many people, even just South Africans, you know, even if we say Uthando doesn't have money, but there are just so many South Africans who are just willing to fund Uthando, go back to school, or maybe, you know, just empower her with a business, you know, start your own business, do this, do that. Nowadays social media holds all the power. Thando is already a celebrity. If she leaves Siyacela and decides to start anything on social media, everyone will support her. She can decide to start her own YouTube channel. YouTube have money, you know, most people will support Uthando. So I don't understand, because we cannot just say, oh, Uthando is staying there for money, because now she is a public figure, she is well known, she's loved. Most South African women sympathize with Uthando, and most South African women will definitely come through and support Uthando through finances, you know. So we cannot just say Uthando is there with Usiyacela simply for money. Like, I refuse to believe that it's for money or for security or for whatever. Some allege that maybe bamloyile Thando have a family, have a mom who is willing to welcome her home, willingly saying, my daughter, come back home, you know. And she can make so many ways, like she can just make money in so many different ways, but she herself, Thando, chooses not to. And I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. I don't know why when her family is coming through for her, because at some point you would think that maybe Thando uphoqiwe ukuthi eshade ngenkani, But that's not the case. Her family is not saying no, Thando, begezela, hlala ngenkani. No. Her family is like, Thando, come back home. And if it's about money, Thando can make money. Thando can make more than what Moja Love pays them. At this point, I don't know how much Moja Love pays. But even if it's not as much as what Moja Love pays, but it can be enough to sustain her and her child. Luckily, she only have one child, which means she doesn't have too much of a baggage. She can absolutely stand on her 2 feet. The fact that she's already a public figure, it works on her advantage. She may start TikTok, she may start Instagram, she may start any other social media platform. And social media nowadays have money. When you play social media right, it can pay you as good as what a doctor get paid. Okay, with having a huge following, as much as Thando have a huge following, she can get paid well. She can get paid the same amount that doctors get paid. So at this point, I don't know why she's still there. And I would never ever speculate that it's because of money, because there is no way that it's because of money. That girl is well capable of making her own money, considering that she is already in the spotlight. Now, omama bakaDlamuka in a way bayaphapha whenever uSiyacela ebabeke endaweni yakhe, you will just be like, oh, uSiyacela is disrespectful. But omama bakaDlamuka bayaphapha. Tell me why bebizi meeting engadini beyibizela uThando, saying that uThando waya ku-podcast, and on the podcast, she mentioned things that she was not supposed to mention, izinto zasekamereni, izinto ezifaka yena nendoda yakhe only. Moreover, they said bona njengomama bakaDlamuka bebengayazi le ndaba, so they don't understand ukuthi yindaba uThando went as far as going on a podcast without ukuthi babikele bona. So apparently uThando went on a podcast, and wamention la ukuthi yay she and uSiyacela have been having problems for the longest now, and their problems also is in the bedroom. It happens that it's so dry in the bedroom. Nothing has ever been happening between him and uSiyacela. And she did also mention what worries her, that what worries her more than anything else is the fact that even if behambile, uSiyacela benoThando bahlala uLundi emakhaya. So even if behambile, they got to go to Durban, because Durban is a city. In my province, Durban is definitely a big city. So even if they get to go to Durban, they don't sleep in the same hotel room. And she did express that this bothers her. Moreover, oftenly she would share a hotel room with Siyacela's stepmom, umamkhulu, umagnene. Ke omama bakaDlamuka babizi meeting, but yes, wena Thando indaba uhambe uyotshela abantu ukuthi nothing is happening between wena noSiyacela. What do you mean? If you were having such issues wena noSiyacela, we believe ukuthi indaba kumele zizobikelwa thina, not ukuthi ehambe yobikelwa abanye abantu nani. So for the near fact ukuthi wena uthatha indaba wahamba wayibikela abanye abantu, this is wrong, this is this, and this is that. And uThando lana uyasho ku-diary yakhe ukuthi one thing that bothers her ngomama bakaDlamuka ukuthi whenever she is wrong, they are quick into calling her into order. They are quick ukuthi bebona ama-mistakes akhe kaThando ukuthi no, Thando u-wrong la. But whenever uSiyacela wrong, abayihluphi, ngathi bayamsaba, abambizi nanokumbizi, of which I think this is just gonna be evident on tonight's episode. uSiyacela uzobethetha lapha kaDlamuka ethetha lokho ku-over, but no one will ever call uSiyacela to order and say hayibo Siyacela ngeke, you are out of line manje. If anything, omama bakaDlamuka bazovele bekhale. Lalela, I cannot wait for 9 o'clock because I understand ukuthi labo mama bazobe bekhalelani kahle kahle. But if anything, omama bakaDlamuka bazovele bekhale instead of just calling uSiyacela into order ukuthi Siyacela ngathi uyaphambuka manje. Of which is the same thing that they did ngoThando, And mabembiza-ke lana uthi usiyacela engadini finally bayasho-ke lana ukuthi hayi bo siyacela uthando unama-consent ukuthi wena imali awumniki nani nani. Oh Nkosi yami, usiyacela uthi nje yeyi uthando gayizini azi usiyacela ngazi uyayithathwe iplengane. Uthi nje yeyi uthando wayengazelanga nje ukuzo-investa la kimi, kanti wayezele ukuzo-investa niyena meza la kimi, noma wayezele nje ukuthi sizozala sandise umuzi wala ekhaya. Qha wayengazelanga ukuzo-investa, noma ngiyamnika imali noma ngimniki, vele wayengazelanga ukuzo-investa la kimina. Okay, so therefore bayambuza ngendaba yasekamereni ukuthi hayi bo nangothando ethi nje kwaze kwa-dry ekamereni. Hayi-ke ulontuzana usiyacela uthi nje yeyi kahle kahle rudely uthi nje kahle kahle anga-understandi ukuthi yini inkinga yenu, noma nani senifuna ukuza ekamereni mangiyibhizi nizongincedisa. Anishoni kahle kahle what is your motive, you know. And I felt like he was being very, very, very rude towards his stepmom for suggesting, you know, something like that. I felt like that was very, 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 very rude. But then again, I was like, when I say mama papa, because they are quick ukuthi bebiza uthando bethe thando urong la. But abakwazi ngosiyacela Nkosi yami bayahluleka, failing dismally. So I think usiyacela uyabalaya anyway mebatshela ukuthi ningayingeni indaba zami, because vele mabeyingena indaba zabo it's always one-sided, you know. They always find something wrong ngothando but nothing wrong ngosiyacela, or rather bayasaba-ke ukumtshela usiyacela ukuthi hayi no ngeke siyacela nawu-wrong la nala nala. For me, I'm like, okay siyacela ngiya-understand ukuthi at some point uyadiga too much, but uyabalaya labo mama bakahlamuka anyway, uyabalaya. Hayi-ke khayizini isigaxa of me wrapping it up, you know. As much as I do say, I do believe, of which it is the truth, okay, uthando, she is loved by most people, strangers, her family members, her uncles, her mom. She is loved, you know. At the end of the day, she needs to make a decision. It's just really relies on her, you know. She, Thando, can only be the one who asks for help, for her to be helped, you know. Until that day, I don't think anyone can ever help her. I really don't. She needs to say, Thando needs help, and let me ask for help. However, Thando have such a rotten father, and you know, to have such a father as well, she doesn't deserve it, you know. She doesn't deserve it at all. Thando's father is just not a good father. It's just, never mind that he was a deadbeat, never mind that he did not raise Uthando, just to protect Uthando's honor, as any parents would. If you know or you suspect that your child has been doing or have been up to some shenanigans, you protect your child. You do not go out there and air your child's dirty laundry. I don't think any parent will ever go out there and just start airing their children's dirty laundry, even if Baba Thando strongly suspects that their child is not Siyacela's. For the near fact that child Thando is his child, and him as a father, it's his duty, his responsibility to protect his daughter's dirty laundry. He had no business for even implanting that idea in our head, because now somehow we want to know, you know, we want the DNA to be done, because why Thando's father did that, implanted that idea in our head. He was wrong, out of line. And this just, I don't know, like, even if he can come back and say he loves Uthando, I would find it very hard, close to impossible to believe really he does care for Uthando, because if he did, he was gonna protect anything that he suspects is about his daughter. Anyway, This definitely does bring me to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, so give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one, when of course I am bringing you more reviews. I think right now, as South Africans, we just came to the point that nothing that Usecela will ever do or say that will shock us. But please do comments down below and tell us, you know, do we see Sekela as a changed person? Because in a way, he's young. He's in his early 20s. And sometimes we kept on excusing him based on the fact that he's young. He was never supposed to be married in the first place, you know. Never, never, never. But really, we're gonna excuse him being young up until when? Up until when?